dog got. I don't want to have you just waiting.
Bro, bump that dog, bro.
It ain't gonna be long, bro.
Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Used to have friends, now I got enemies.
I can dance for real.
Enemies, yeah, so sad. I said I would never get this far. Think that we don't see who you are.
All right. See what we can do here. What can we do here? That's one, coach. Dang it, I got you in the eye. That's one fish. Dang it, that tree messed it up. Yes, sir. Another one. Flipping game. That worm's dying. You threw it in there? Oh. Came off too. Came off. Anybody coming right now? Ain't nobody coming right now? Yeah, ain't nobody coming right now. They hit from that way. Uh-oh. I seen you. Watch it, Iman. Already. Told you already. So I said, yeah, I know. Uh-huh, yeah. They down there, you gotta get them. Watch it, look, got one. God, dog, you ain't paying no attention right there.
I'm about to slip.
They gonna hit automatically right there. On your ass. What the fuck? Got him. Don't hit me. Real safe. Making sure, bro. You in the trees.
This where you came?
Huh?
They stuck right here.
Uh-huh. But the thing is, when this all flows, bro, this whole thing be filled with fish. Like, I like going up to the front part. He got that bit.
That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Nigga just be stuck.
Yep. Yep. And he bleeding off that.
Hold on, bro. Might get a double.
So I always duck down over here.
Yeah, fast speed.
Come on this side. So I can toss. Swallowed it.
Yeah, we did.
Where my phone at? Look.
Get some ice.
Yeah. You can try it. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good.
Catching anything?
Yeah, I caught a couple.
What are you catching?
Bass.
The worm?
Are you bass?
Yeah.
See the worm?
Nah, bro, I'm finna try to worm. Go ahead and do what you do. You finna catch one, don't worry about it. You finna catch one, don't worry about it.
Not doing it like that. Oh, I did.
Uh-huh. There you go. Told you, you got one.
Wow, how easy was that? Wow,
I think you get it. Well, that's a nice one, huh?
that is a nice one.
Eater.
Look at that.
All right, now I feel better. They've been skunking me all day.
Yeah?
That didn't take long.
Nice job. Did you see it, or you knew? Did you see him, or did you
He cast it.
cast it into the pipe?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look, now you happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm good. I'm good. They just set in front of the pipe to catch a bait when it comes down.
Yep, that's what they do every time. Every time.
Very nice. Now the pressure's on you.
Yeah.
Let me catch them all day though. It's not like 5 from out of 2. That running water helps too.
I know. I'm just hoping there's some more in here. You happen to kid off to the Came off. Came off.
I seen it.
You seen it, right?
Yeah.
He came right. I thought that's why I got stuck on. I thought I got stuck on him at first.
Oh yeah, that's over.
Cause he didn't even like bite. He just
Bro, if this one big, I'm gonna be mad.
It is.
Told you it was bigger. Oh shit. It's pretty too. Man.
It is pretty.
Yeah, it's like that.
It's a pretty one.
All right, bro, my turn. And they stuck in here too, so they just gonna get fat.
Yeah.
Dummy.
What you see, you monster thing? Huh?
Right there.
The yam? Uh-oh. He monster thing and caught him a bass. There you go. Back on the boards. He wasn't playing with you, huh? I said he wasn't playing with you, huh? He monitoring, showing out. Say he monitoring, showing out for the people. How's it feel to catch fish? You want ain't no more fish, dog. Yeah. Feel the fish gone, bro. You caught some fish though, you man. You good? Heart been broke so many times. I don't know what to believe. I'ma say it's feminine fault. It's for my heart on nice, heart on nice.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned to the city, I broke off the notch. Got some more millies, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it don't false. We call them chopsticks cause they gonna chop. Took her out of filers cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on.